Fast signal, full receipts, no snooze mode. This cut is built from the local source folder you gave me, but the claims are verified against the official sources behind those stories. And the strongest package is pretty clear: GPT 5.5, ChatGPT Images 2.0, Claude design, and Qwen. Let's start with the heavyweight. OpenAI published GPT 5.5 on April 23rd and updated the announcement on April 24th to say both GPT 5.5 and GPT 5.5 Pro are now available in the API. OpenAI says the gains are especially strong in agentic coding, computer use, knowledge work, and early scientific research. The practical hook is that GPT 5. The evals make the positioning obvious. OpenAI reports 82.7% on Terminal Bench 2.0, 78.7% on OS World Verified, and 84.9% on GPVal. The headline is not just that it is smarter. The headline is that OpenAI wants this model framed as something. Next, ChatGPT Images 2.0. OpenAI published it on April 21st, and the system card says the model is a major step forward in image generation, including significantly enhanced world knowledge, instruction following, and generating detail and complexity, such as dense text. More importantly, OpenAI says the new This matters because image generation is becoming more agentic. OpenAI says thinking mode can integrate live web search data, generate multiple images from a single prompt, and use its reasoning stack to turn a basic request into a more thought-through final image. On the product side, OpenAI's help doc say users can create new images, edit existing ones, add precise text, add details inside the image, and make. One of the coolest products in your source folder was Claude Design. Anthropic launched it on April 17th as a new Anthropic Labs product powered by Claude Opus 4.7 for creating polished visual work like designs, prototypes, slides, one-pagers, and more. Anthropic says teams are already using it for realistic prototypes, product wireframes, and mock-ups. Pitch deck. The best part is the handoff story. Anthropic says people can refine the design through conversation, inline comments, direct edits, and Claude-generated controls. Then, when the design is ready, Claude packages everything into a handoff bundle that can be passed to Claude Code with a single instruction. That makes this feel less like a novelty. For the open model recommendation, the best pick is Qwen 3.627b. The official model card lists an Apache 2.0 license, a native context length of 262,144 tokens, an extension to about 1 million tokens with Yarn. This is the kind of open model companies can actually look at for. That is the best package from the local source folder. GPT 5.5 for agentic computer work, ChatGPT Images 2.0 for the next jump in useful image generation, Claude Design for faster design to build workflows, and Qwen 3.627b as the open model recommendation. Fast signal, full receipts, no snooze mode. For you.